Welcome again, children. Let's continue with the topic interpretation of topographical maps. Today I will start with grid reference. What is a grid? A grid is a set of lines used to find out the exact location of a place on a map. On an ordinary map or a globe prepared on a small scale, one can easily find out the position of a country or a city with the help of the grid formed by latitude and longitude lines. Topographical maps are, however, a large scale maps, so exact locations cannot be expressed accurately by the grid of latitudes and longitudes. To overcome this difficulty, a grid reference system comprising a square grid with grid lines intersecting each other at right angles and numbered sequentially from the origins at the bottom left of the map is used. It indicates the position of a place in terms of series of vertical and horizontal lines, numbers, or the letters. This thing you can see in the diagram also. You can see the vertical lines are there, and these are the vertical lines, and these are the horizontal lines, right? So they form the grid system. The points at which the vertical and the horizontal lines of the grid cross are called coordinates. This you can see where these are the eastings, these are the horizontal lines, here they are meeting. This point is known as a coordinate, right? These lines are numbered. The lines that increase in the value are known as eastings, that you can see in the figure. These are the lines, and the number is increasing toward the direction of the east, 31, 32, 33 and 34, and that is why these lines are known by the name eastings, because their number is increasing toward the direction of increase. So that is why these vertical lines are known by the name eastings, right? And the lines that increase in value towards the north are called northings, like this. These are the horizontal lines, and their number is increasing toward the direction of the north. So that is why these lines are known by the name northings. Where these lines meet, intersect, this point is known as a coordinate, and they form a square that you can see here, and that is why it is known as a grid square. These northings and eastings cut across each other to form squares or grids. The origin of the grid is in the southwest corner of the map, that you can see here. If I am making a line here, easting, and they cross here, so their meeting point, their starting point is from the southwest corner of the map. These lines are the basis for the reference to landmarks and places shown on the map. Whenever grid reference are given, the eastings are given first and then the northings. So when we talk about the grid reference, there are two types of grid reference, the 4-figure grid reference and the 6-figure grid reference. The 4-figure grid reference is used to find out the location that lies within a particular square. That this is a square, and if we want to know about the triangulated height 114, then we will easily find out with the help of the square only by writing its easting and the northing. In this type of reference, first two figures give the easting. So if we write the grid reference, the first two figures, that means a 33 is a easting, whereas the last two figures are the northing. What will be its northing is 12, right? For example, if we want to locate a lake, a meander, a stream, a settlement, a physical feature, etc., which occupy some space on the map, can be located by using a four-figure grid reference. For example, children, let me give you one example. If we want to know the four figure of spot height 240, what we are going to do, as I have already said, first you will check that the 240, and what is the southwest corner of this 240 is this. This is the southwest corner of the line of the number spot height 240. So what we will do, this is the spot southwest corner. Now we will check its easting. Easting is 32, right children? Easting is 32. So we will write 32 here for spot height 240, right? And what will be its northing, as this is spot height and its southwest corner is this, and this is the northing line, right? So children, this is the 11, number 11. So this is the four figure of grid reference. For the spot height 240, the four figure is 3211, right? Like this, I will give you one more example, like the triangulated height 114. What will be its four figure? So first of all, we will check the number, the symbol, and then we will go towards its southwest corner where the eastings and northings are meeting their coordinate point, that is here towards the southwest corner. Now what is the easting? You can easily identify that this is a easting. So what is triangulated height 114? What will be its easting is 33, number 33. And what will be its northing? This is a northing where it is intersecting. So this is 12. So here we are going to write number 12. One more example I will give you. For example, this is a temple and we want to identify its four figure grid reference. How we are going to identify its four figure grid reference? So that time we are going to check again its southwest corner. Where is this line meeting, intersection of this? So for this temple, the intersecting point, the southwest corner is here, right? This is the temple and its southwest corner is here. So children, what will be its easting? The easting will be 33 and northing will be 11, right? So this is the way that you can write. One more option you can write here, because this is the temple and its southwest corner is here also where the easting and northings are intersecting. So with slash you can write both. What is the easting of this is 34. So you can write here 34 and 11 also. So both are correct. If you are writing in this way, both are correct. Okay, let's proceed. Now we'll be talking about the six figure grid reference. Now in the six figure grid reference, for example, I want to give a six figure grid reference of a dry tank here, right? So the first three figures of the are the eastings and the last three are the northings. So these pinpoints location with greater accuracy. Why we want to know about the six figure? So that we are able to understand the accurate position of that feature on the map. To get the six-figure grid reference, children, divide the squares into 10 equal parts vertically also and horizontally also. You will get to know the third figures in the eastings and the sixth figure in the northing. In this case, for example, if I want to know about the sixth figure of the dry tank, if I want to know the sixth figure of this dry tank symbol, what we are going to do, children, this is very important to understand. What you will do, you will first see where is the symbol lies. For example, this is a dry tank, children. What is its southwest corner? Move towards its southwest corner. This is its southwest corner that I have already explained you. Now what is its easting is number 32. So what you will write number 32 first, then give a space for writing its eastward number. Then what is the northing of it? For example, it's written here 11 or 12. So northing will be 11 because this is the northing line. So you will write here 11 and make a gap for writing its northward point. Now what you will do, children? You will divide this line, the northing line, into 10 equal parts and the easting line also into 10 equal parts. Now for your information, if we want to know how can we divide this line into 10 equal parts, this line from one easting to next easting, the distance on your map is 2 centimeter by 2 centimeter. They are 2 centimeter by 2 centimeter block. So 0.2 millimeter will be your first division. Like this you are going to divide with the help of scale, right? 2 centimeter, you will divide this 2 centimeter line into 10 equal parts and this line also into 10 equal parts. 0.2 millimeter will be your first digit. Now with the southwest corner, when you will start finding out the eastward point, you will not count the first part. You will be start counting from this line 1, 2 and 3. So its easting is 32, we have already written. Now you will move towards the eastward point. You make a right angle from this and then you count 1, 2, 3. So 32, 3 we are going to write, right? And then northing we have already written is 11. Now we will be moving towards the northward point. This line also we have divided into 10 equal parts. Now you will be start counting from here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 is here. So you will be going to write here 6. Let me explain you once again, children, so that you can understand in a better manner. For example, I have given you a symbol here, a dry tank, right? Now you will make a right angle from this point towards the easting also, towards the northing also, right? So you will make a right angle. Now you will check the southwest corner of the map. This is the southwest corner of the map. What you will do now? Now you will write its easting. Easting is number 32. You have written here number 32. And what is the northing? Now give a gap here so that you can write the eastward number. And northing is 11 because it is meeting here with intersecting. So number 11 you will write. Now what we are going to write the eastward number and the northward number. Now first we have written the easting 32. We will move towards the direction of the east. So what is the number where it is meeting there with the right angle? 1, 2, 3. So you will write here 3. Then you will write 11. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Then you will write here 6. So what is the sixth figure of this dry tank? 32, 3, 11, 6. So this way we are able to find out the six figure grid reference. So here children, I have written here In this case, the third and the sixth. To get the six-figure grid reference, 32 3, 11 6. The six-figure grid reference thus obtained gives the location of a place to the nearest 100 meter of that. What are the symbols that we can identify with the help of the six-figure? That can be any feature like a spot height, causeway, temple, well, tanks, anything, any man-made feature or a physical feature are located with the help of six-figure grid reference. What is the importance of six-figure? It helps in pinpointing a place or an object on the map nearest to 100 meter. It adds greater accuracy to a map. So that is why, children, we are finding the six-figure grid reference, right? Next topic is, what is the importance of colors in topographical map? What is the importance of black color, or what are the things that we can identify with the help of black color on a topographical map? They are like the names. Now, name can be anything: a name of a village, a name of a town, right? Any name, like post office is there, any communication facility is there, post office, telegraph office, etc. Then the lines of latitude and longitude line, they are also marked with the help of black color. Survey tree, this is a symbol for survey tree, is also marked with black color. Any height, spot height, triangulated height, right, is benchmark, all are marked with black color, and their number is also written with the black color, right? Now the river banks are also marked with black color. Broken ground is also marked with black color. Dry streams are also marked with the black color. So these all are the things, they are marked with the help of the black color on a topographical map. Any railway line is there, that also you can see is also marked with the help of black color. Telephone and telegraph lines are also marked with the help of the black color. Any communication facility, post and telegraph office, post office, everything is marked with the black color on a topographical sheet. Next is, what is the importance of the blue color on topographical map? Any perennial water feature that you will see, it's a perennial lined well, right, or perennial river, right, that is also marked with the blue color, children. Any minor feature like the non-perennial streams are there, they are marked with the black color. Irregular erratic streams are also marked with black color or dotted lines, but only the perennial feature, perennial water feature, is marked with the help of the blue color. Next, we will be talking about the importance of green color on topographical map. All the forests are with the dark green color and all the grasslands are with the light green color. Next is a white color. Any barren land, rocky feature, barren land, bad lands, uncultivated lands, also known by the name barren land, are also marked with the white color on a topographical map. Next is a yellow color. All cultivable land, the agricultural land that you will see, is in the yellow color. Next is brown color. Any sandy feature is there, like any sand dunes are there, hills are there, that are also marked with the brown color. If sand dunes are there, brown color dots are there, and if hills are there, contour lines are there for the hills, and their number is also written with the brown color. Form lines are also there with the brown color. How are the form lines marked? We have already done that, they are marked with the help of the broken brown color lines, right? They are marked with the broken brown color lines. Next feature, next color is the red color. Now when we are talking about the red color, all the eastings, northings are marked with the help of the red color. Their number is also written in red color. Any man-made feature such as a road, It can be a metal road, unmetal road, cart track, back track, any buildings are there, settlements are there, permanent huts are there, right? Temporary huts are there, all are marked with the red color. So children, today I have discussed with you the grid reference, 4-figure grid reference, 6-figure grid reference, and the importance of colors in on a topographical map. Thank you children, and have a nice day.